What's up YouTube, it's Louis here, hope you're all well. Today we'll be looking at Bitcoin on the 4-hour time frame and discuss what is going on here with this descending channel. So you can see here we've had multiple rejections over here where we've had bearish candlestick patterns. You can see over here we've got a double top, over here we've got a shooting star followed by a bearish engulfing. You had a little doji before there. Yeah, just multiple wick rejections in this area. We can go to the daily time frame and look at this. Zoom out. Yeah, so on the daily time frame, yeah, bearish engulfing, loads of shooting stars here, fake out M pattern with shooting stars and a doji there as well. More shooting stars, bigger shooting star, loads of dojis. What else is there? Bearish engulfing, and then again right here right now we're getting the exact same thing, doji followed by bearish engulfing. So this is bearish continuation. Every single time you've come to the top of the parallel channel, descending parallel channel, you get rejected, and you can see well, not every single time, but a lot of the times you come to the bottom of the channel, go sideways before heading back. Obviously here you didn't get the exact touch of the bottom of the channel, but that's because you were coming down to this exact support. You see 39k, that's why we bounced off there. Then we came back to resistance. This whole way we were holding the 20 EMA. Only one time we got above it, and it was a fake out M pattern with two shooting stars on each top, and you had a doji in between them. So indecision at resistance means it wants to reverse. Then we got the indecision candle over there, the doji. Basically no one's in power. So you don't really want to risk it and say, oh yeah, it is going to go down because we're at resistance, because no one's in power. A decision will be made. We could have got a decision where we burst through the 20 EMA and through 39k. That would have been amazing, but we know that 39 to 42, 43k is a major key level of resistance. A major key level of resistance that hasn't even been back tested again. So it really tells you the strength in this box to get a doji and a bearish engulfing even before we managed to get up there. Let's look at the 4-hour time frame over here. Yeah, so one thing I was saying to the people in my group chat, make sure to join the Discord group chat. This is where I put my personal thoughts. So I said, yeah, let's go to here. So as I said earlier today in the Bitcoin update, we were facing some key resistance. Bitcoin will face key resistance ahead, although being in targets to the upside. One key thing to know on Bitcoin is that the upward sloping channels tend to break down and not up. At the moment, we're respecting this channel exactly. And you can see that we were obviously bouncing off the top each time. The moves were getting weaker and weaker, but then here, the thing is, you were at a key level of resistance here, and each time you spent more time in that level of resistance. So here I think it was only about 8 hours, I might be wrong, 8 to 12 hours. Here was about 20 hours, and here was about a day and 20 hours until you got rejected. So the fact you spent a day and 20 hours inside resistance, it was a box of resistance. But I think yeah, here we go. Here's the box of resistance. This is the exact picture I wanted to show you. So 8 hour in resistance, 20 hours in resistance, 1 day and 20 hours. So I was basically saying that the longer you were spending in resistance, the weaker it gets. So actually, if we did now get a move up, potentially on this attempt, the next attempt of trying to break this resistance, we may do, because obviously you can see the reactions from this area was much quicker reactions, stronger reactions than compared to the last times. He's obviously spending more time in it, making it weaker. I then also said in my chat here, you can see in this chart that Bitcoin has rejected the red resistance and the top of the parallel channel 3 times. Each time he spent a longer period of time within the red resistance box, meaning that it gets weaker as it's finding it easier to stay around the area when we should see it reject. We are obviously now not coming away from it, and we are obviously now coming away from it and come into the first green box. I expect if it does hold, that Bitcoin will try. So basically what I was trying to say, if this holds, we're going to try and break it again, and it should break. But I said that if the current green box, okay, yeah, basically what I was trying to say is that if we lose this, we're going down to here, and this should be the bottom, because obviously we're measuring the fibs from here to here. This is your golden pocket. Lose the golden pocket, you're creating that reversal wave, so you're going to retrace 100% of this push up. And I think that's what we've done on the Bitcoin chart now. So you've basically retraced 100%, you've created that reversal wave, minimal target the 1, so you've come down to your minimal target, and if we do go beyond this, then we will continue down lower to around 35k. This is what I've been telling people, and you can see we come back, create that reversal wave. Let's go to a different Bitcoin chart, BTC USD. Yeah, so still inside this falling wedge, so that's actually quite positive because it's still inside a bullish pattern. But obviously now that we create this reversal wave, we should actually see bearish continuation to around 35k. But we're still in this channel. We know that this channel slanted upwards, so technically speaking it should break down. So that's what I'm waiting for. We could just bounce off the one, continue back up. For me to say, yeah, we're going to get bullish continuation, I want to get above these EMAs / this golden pocket. And obviously on this attempt, we should be able to break this. But failing to get above the 618, you can see you'd just be back testing this new bearish cross, and we'd be continuing down to our 1618 target once this 36.6 level of support is broken. And that's what I'm seeing right now. I did warn you guys that yes, we had a bullish cross, but I didn't think it was going to play out. All these massive YouTubers saying, oh, we're going up, and they're just keeping bias. We need to maintain an unbiased opinion, so we have to look at it both ways. And I don't like how all these YouTubers with hundreds of thousands of followers are just saying, oh yeah, bullish, when since losing 39,000, if we go to this Bitcoin chart, since losing 39,000 here, we know that actually we're in a technical target to 28k until you get above it. And you can see we're respecting the resistance of this channel, and there's, yeah, it looks like no chance. The only thing holding us up at the moment is this, and obviously if you lose this, we're heading down to 35k. Thank you guys for watching. I'll bring you over to the crypto packages now. Please help the channel grow to 2,000 subscribers by the end of this month. So please subscribe and comment what you think is going to happen next. I'll bring you over to the packages now. Thank you. So guys, these are my crypto packages. Let's bring you over to the one-on-one mentorship, where it's £650 one-off payment. You will get video call lessons with me over a 1 month period. We will do 1 or 2 hour lessons every single day, and you don't need any prior knowledge whatsoever. You can have zero, you can already be an advanced or intermediate trader. My job here is to 10x your learning curve. Everything that I'm teaching you has taken me over 3 years to gather and cost me over £10,000, whether that was good courses, bad courses, mistakes, scams, or whatever it was. It cost me over £10,000 to get all this information that I'm personally teaching you. I also had to pay for my mentor over $2,000 for a 2 hour lesson. So what you're getting for this price is absolutely phenomenal. Now, you also get the 6 hour crypto course included in this price, as well as the signals chat until the top of the bull market. Now let's move over to the signals chat. I wouldn't call it signals. This is just basically a group where I post what I'm personally doing, my thoughts on the market, if I think it's going up or down. So there's daily chart updates, but also, yeah, throughout the day, what I'm thinking, or where I'm buying, where I'm selling, where I'm looking to accumulate, or obviously get out the market. This is what's in the crypto chat, and that's £25 for your first month and £40 onwards. Then we can move over to the 6 hour crypto course. There are over 35 plus videos in this. You don't need any prior knowledge to start. You can be beginner, intermediate, or advanced level trader. My job here is to 10x your learning curve, to make you into that self-sufficient trader, to make you into a trader that doesn't need outsiders' help. Not my help, not any YouTuber's help, or any crappy group chat. So if you're interested in this, you also do get a one-on-one mentorship lesson with me at the end of the course, so you can get any questions answered, so you're clear and you know exactly what to do going forward. If you're interested in any of these packages, then please go to my Twitter at Louis_crypto and literally comment down below and just say, Louis, I'm interested, and I'll personally private message you to see if you qualify for any of these packages. Thank you guys for listening, watching the video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.